Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello to our lecturer Dr. Muhammad Hafiz bin Maisa. So today me and my group will do our short video for assignment 2 for occupational safety and health. First thing first, let me introduce my group member. First is Arif Aiman, second Arif Haikal, and third is me, Muhammad Azizul Hakim, and last one is Farhat Adha. So there is 4 topic given to us, which is identify various safety and health hazard in the lab. Second, identify the impact of the hazard to your safety and health. And third, evaluate the risk using the detailed hazard identification method. And the last one is propose the administrative and engineering control measure to reduce the hazard. So we go to the first task, which is various safety and health hazard in the lab. So our group choose 2 hazard, which is first one is mechanical hazard, contain stabbing hazard, cutting hazard, and friction hazard. And second one is ergonomic hazard, which contain awkward posture and vibration.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Farhat Adha. I will explain about point number 2 is impact of the hazard to your safety and health. Okay, firstly is acute injuries. Acute injuries are usually the result of a single or traumatic event. For example, include wrist fracture and ankle sprains. Second, lost body part death. Then, chronic injuries. For example, like tennis elbow. And next, bleeding. And lastly is musculoskeletal disorder. For example, like tendonitis, ligament sprain, and tension neck syndrome.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Arif Aiman bin Muhammad Fahmi, and I will explain about how to evaluate the risk using the detailed hazard identification method. So there are 3 methods on how to evaluate the risk using the hazard identification method. One common method is a hazard and operability study, better known as a HAZOP. A HAZOP is a systematic assessment tool used to identify and address potential hazards in an industrial process before an incident occurs that could affect the safety of people or assets while hindering productivity. Hazard studies are typically performed while new facilities are being designed and constructed, when new processes are added, or when process change. The second method is fault tree analysis, FTA. FTA is a graphical tool to explore the causes of a system level failures. It uses Boolean logic to combine a series of lower level events, and it is basically a top-down approach to identify the component level failures that cause the system level failure to occur. Fault tree analysis consists of 2 elements, which are events and logic gates, which connect the events to identify the cause of the top undesired event. The last one is failure mode and effect analysis, FMEA. FMEA is a structured approach to discovering potential failures that may exist within the design of a product or process. Failure modes are the ways in which a process can fail. Effects are the ways that these failures can lead to waste, defects, or harmful outcomes for the customer. Failure mode and effects analysis is designed to identify, prioritize, and limit these failure modes. There are 2 broad categories of FMEA, which are design failure mode and effect analysis, DFMEA, and process failure mode and effect analysis, PFMEA.
My name is Muhammad Arif Haikal. I will talk about measure to reduce the impact of the ergonomic hazard. Okay, first, we have station design. Second, design of work method. And third, tool design and handle. And last, personal protective equipment. Okay, next we have purpose administrative and engineering control. Okay, for the administrative, we can do instruction and written procedure, and then classroom teaching. Last, engineering assistant. Okay, for the engineering control, we can use a proper PPE, and then a better equipment. Last, install barrier. That's all from us. Thank you.